Good day, everyone! Welcome to Certified Skin Authority. In today's episode, let's talk about facelift. What is facelifting? What are the safe and effective facelifting procedures used nowadays that will give us that tight, firm, and rejuvenated look that we always desire? In the previous episodes of CSA, we have been talking about Botox, dermal fillers, CO2 resurfacing, and other anti-aging treatments. Right now, we will be introducing to you what is the latest technique that we do here at CSA to give us that lifted, younger looking face. Join me as we also listen to one of our clients whose concern is about sagging of skin. So let's listen to Miss Melody Loria as she tells her concern as she's turning 45 this month. So what's the show, mga kapitbahay? Welcome mga kapitbahay! Joining me today is a career woman, a very happy and beautiful housewife, a full-time mom. She's from Marketplace, Angeles City. She's been with CSA for 3 years already. So let's welcome Miss Melody Loria.
Magandang araw mga kapitbahay.
Hello, Miss Melody.
Hello,
welcome sa CSA show. How are you today?
Fine. I'm pretty much excited.
So we're so glad that you have finally joined our show. Kasi you've been with our derm center for almost 3 years. Remember?
That's correct.
Since 2012, Miss Melody has been coming back to the CSA Derm Center for that number of years. So how was your treatment naman with CSA Derm Center?
Well, I'm very satisfied. That's why I keep on coming back because of the good treatments.
And I remember it was your daughter who was the first one to come here.
Yes, before her graduation, she suffered a lot of pimples sa forehead, even sa cheeks. So she was so conscious because it's graduation time and she feels na yung face niya is all messed up.
I remember she came to me and she was telling me this yung dilemma, the problem, more on pimples sa forehead niya. Yun yung prominent dun sa areas na yun. She started with me 2011, I think.
Yeah.
That was in my old clinic in Balibago.
That's correct.
And initially, we gave her some mga clinic treatments to control yung inflammation ng pimple niya.
Yeah.
And then she has continued with me and seeing her right now, she's a beautiful young lady. How old na ba si Jubel?
She's already 50.
Wow! And blooming ha.
Oh.
Kamukha ng mommy kasi ganda ng mommy, di ba?
Thank you.
Mana kay mommy. And of course, Miss Melody has been taking good care of her skin also. And last Friday, you were also with us. We did some, corrections.
Yeah.
Your concern was the crow's feet, remember?
That's correct. Very conscious about ako sa raw feet, sa eyes ko. That every time I smile, talagang lumalabas siya. So, kaya nagpa-treatment ulit ako last Friday. And it so happened na for a short period of time, nakita na agad yung effect.
That's right.
That's
Kasi
fast.
Friday today is Sunday. So,
Yes.
wow, immediate ka agad, no? And
Correct.
wala namang mga any sensation or discomfort na na-feel mo during treatment?
Wala. Very
That's okay.
nice yung treatment,
Yeah.
fast, and really effective.
And the next day, what did you feel around the area?
Na-feel ko na agad yung effect and nakita ko na parang nag-brighten up agad yung eyes ko.
Kasi nga, nung Friday, we injected here.
Correct.
And then usually, you expect the next day, parang ang sensation is tight. Nagta-tighten na siya. Diba? And you look so beautiful. That's why this morning when I saw you, napaka-fresh looking and always young looking. And considering this month is your birthday month. Advance happy birthday!
Thank you!
Diba? How young pa ba? How young?
I'm already 45. And so, happy naman ako.
I think kasi you're a career woman, di ba? I remember you were working with,
with the cooperative, I worked there for 21 years, but I already retired.
As early as 40-ish, nag-retire na.
Yes, so now I'm a full-time mom of 3 children, and I'm administering a preschool here in Don Bonifacio.
So you're an administrator na isang preschool, ano na?
Yes.
Okay. So, kamusta naman? Napapa-init ba ulo ng mga chikiting?
Hindi naman. Okay naman sila.
Kaya siguro medyo nagkakakulit.
No, it's because you have to smile parate. So, yung
yeah.
profit, dun siguro
Yeah.
siya nakukuha.
Yan. When you always move those muscles in that
Yeah, you
area.
have to do a lot of singing for the
And
children.
Parang hindi ka naman mukhang 45 na eh. Still look young.
Because
Ano
you're
ba
the one
secret?
who's been, you're the one who's been maintaining that.
Thanks to anti-aging medicine, ha?
Yes.
Because we're already in that age, nasa mid-40s na rin tayo. Of course, we have to start doing some treatments na para, of course, ma-delay na yung saging ng skin, ma-prevent na natin yung mga jowls, ma-prevent pa rin natin yung mga yung pagwala ng volume, ng elasticity. Diba gradually, you're noticing already, parang yung skin mo nagsasag, and then full of gravity, nagpo-function
Yeah.
and ganyan.
And I'm having lines already here.
And deep yung nasal label ko. So, you can do some mga non-surgical techniques para naman ma-prevent
So what do
yung
you
mga ganong
suggest?
condition. Right now kasi, we have here what we call Ultra VLIFT.
Oh, so what's that ultra V-lift?
Well, Ultra VLIFT is a non-surgical facelifting procedure that makes use of fine threads. Yung mga fine threads na yon are like protein fibers. When inserted in the skin, it will stimulate your skin to make its own natural protein fiber. Kasi yung mga proteins, these are the collagen, elastin, ito yung nag-hold sa skin. Ito yung responsible for making it tight, firm. So parang hindi naglalaw-law, di ba? Parang banat lagi ang mukha.
Yeah.
Di ba?
You have mentioned that you have to insert.
Yes.
Now the question is it painful?
Well, actually, before the procedure, we put a topical anesthesia. Kailangan meron tayong numbing cream.
Okay.
So, we leave it for about 45 minutes. And after that, we do the procedure. Actually, yung technique, yung insertion ng mga threads, it's just like 15 to 30 minutes, we're done.
Okay. So
Ganun siya ka-quick.
how long will it, how long is the procedure?
Well, yung procedure itself, nasa anesthesia, 45 minutes. So, yung pag-insert ng thread, possible na 15 to 30 minutes. Depende rin sa treatment area. Kasi, for some people, we do the upper half. For some, we do the lower half. Pero yung for others, the whole face and even the neck. So, depende dun sa areas that we will work on. Pero mostly, we say like an hour.
So how about the effect? How long will it last?
Oh, yan. Nagandang question yan. Kasi,
Siyempre, yun ang
Of
parati
course.
natin tinatanong.
Opo. So, usually we say, 1 to 2 years. It may
That's
last 1 to 2
long?
years. Yes.
Okay.
Kasi nga, you place a protein fiber, a thread, that will make your own collagen also.
Okay.
So, yun yung naglalast doon. Kasi the thread is absorbable. In a month or 2, na-absorb yung thread, but it will make your own cells make its own natural protein. That's why it may last for a year or 2.
Wow,
Diba?
exciting.
Oo.
How about the side effects? Are there any side effects?
So there are no serious side effects to it.
It's good to hear.
After the treatment, you may just experience some bruising. Or the next day, parang sore lang, but you may do ice compress.
Okay. So you mean after the procedure, I could go anywhere and do all my stuff again?
Kasi nga, this procedure is non-surgical, it's fast. So after the treatment, you may go back to your work, or you may opt to rest na lang. Pero you can do your usual activities after the treatment.
Well, that's good to hear. I'm already excited.
Yeah. So we better do that for you, Miss Melody. And then after the treatment, we'll see. There's already an immediate result for the Ultra V-Lift for Miss Melody. And as time passes by, it further improves. So mga kapitbahay, magstay lang po kayo at panoorin ninyo ang actual procedure ng Ultra V-Lift.
Melody Loria has a concern on the skin, how to prevent the sagging of the skin. So we'll be doing a facial assessment on her right now. So last week we have done already the correction on the crow's feet, okay? And I noticed that she has already this nasolabial folds here, okay? This part here. So I will recommend the ultra V lifting, whereby the purpose is to lift this area, okay, the zygomatic area, and I also need to correct on the temple area to further improve or to remove those crow's feet here. So from this part here, we'll be doing the lifting technique using the fine threads. On the other side, same thing. So same concern, the nasolabial fold. So lifting technique here. So threads will be inserted in this part and also on the temple region. This will also correct the crow's feet on this side. So once we have inserted the threads, this will give an immediate lifting result. So this area is our site for ultra V lifting. Okay, so we'll start with the cleansing technique first, and then after that, the insertion of the threads. And lastly, we will also be doing a cryo stem cell therapy for Miss Melody Loria. So we will begin with the procedure. We'll start with cleansing of the face, and then after that, the markings of thread placement, to be followed by the technique itself, the insertion of threads, and lastly, cryo stem cell therapy to soothe or to give that calming benefit also with the cold therapy. Sa mga kapitbahay, we will now be doing a cleansing procedure. So, for any treatment here in CSA, we cleanse the face, we remove any debris, we degrease the skin, we remove makeups. So, prior to any treatment, we have to make sure that there is proper cleansing, and also this is the sepsis antisepsis procedure. Then after we have cleansed her face, we make use of gentle cleansers only. And then after this one, we'll towel dry, and we have to apply the topical anesthesia. We will be leaving the anesthetic cream for about 45 minutes. We'll be covering it with an occlusive wrap for faster absorption of the anesthetic cream. And then once we have numbed the skin, we'll proceed with the actual procedure. So we'll now apply topical anesthesia on the areas that we will be working on. So we've mentioned cheek area and temporal region. So we'll just spread this anesthetic cream. It has lidocaine. Then we'll leave on for 45 minutes. We'll have Melody rest muna, take a nap. While she's taking a nap, let's give her a pampering massage na rin. Hand massage or foot massage. We can listen to some soothing music. Okay. So this is just a very easy procedure. After this, you can go back to your work or stay with your kids. Full-time mommy si Melody. It's better to give a thicker topical anesthetic. So you can totally numb the skin. For some patients, they may feel some of the insertions, but it is very tolerable. So we have to occlude the cream for better absorption. So it can penetrate very well into the skin. So it can really numb those nerves. For some patients, they may opt to do a nerve block for better anesthetic effect. But this cream is very effective already. So again, our target is to lift the cheek area and to further improve on the crow's feet. So when you pull the cheek area, you can already also give a pulling effect on the lower face. It can give a well-defined jawline here. It will prevent the jowls. So what we're doing with Melody is just to, well, she looks young. It's just prevention, delay aging skin, and it's safe, it's natural, it's effective. It is FDA approved. It has been clinically studied also. That's what we like with all the treatments we do here. They've been clinically studied and scientifically proven and FDA approved. Okay, Ma'am Melody.
Yes.
Thank you. Tamang-tama, on your birthday, you look rejuvenated.
I will look younger.
Yeah. So, age lang ang dumadagdag number. Di ba?
Correct.
Pero sa face, will maintain that young look, fresh look. Okay, so we'll have our client rest for a while and we'll be back, mga kapitbahay. Okay mga kapitbahay, ito po muli ang CSA Certified Skin Authority. So right now we will be doing an ultra VLIFT procedure for Miss Melody. This is the product itself. It is packed in this aluminum foil. So this has absorbable fine threads po. And the benefit is that it's gonna give an immediate lifting effect on the face already. So we'll be starting with the procedure mga kapitbahay. Okay mga kapitbahay, ito po ang ating Ultra VLIFT threads. Okay, they're made of this about 30mm po ang length ng ating thread. Okay, so it has a needle in it. And if we open one, actually the thread, you can hardly see it. It's very fine, super ultra fine. Or should I say, it is as fine as the hair strand. Okay, so ito po ang component. So if we open one, Last one. Okay. Sorry. You okay?
Yes.
Cotton with alcohol. So with Ma'am Melody, we have started dito sa left side. Okay, so we were pointing to the nasal folds a while ago. We can notice already an improvement on this side na. There was already some lifting that is noticeable compared sa kabilang side, sa right side. So much deepened pa yung dito sa nasolabial. So you can still see the sagginess of this part. But here, there's already a beginning lifting effect or result already. So let's proceed to the right side. Okay? So we have the thread. Whenever we insert the needle, the thread is being left beneath the skin. And this thread is absorbable. It's like a protein fiber that will make the skin produce its natural protein also. So we'll begin with the procedure on the right side. So the thread is already gone. It's already under the skin. Okay, we'll begin with the ice compress. So we will be just doing ice compress. Melody, you have to continue doing ice compress for the first 24 hours, okay? How are you feeling?
Fine.
Fine. You're sensing some tightening or stretching.
Yes, I can feel the lifting already.
Wow. There's a pulling effect.
Yeah.
So we're done with the insertion of the VLIFT threads. We'll be applying a stem cell into the skin, and after that, there's this cryotherapy machine whereby we will be doing a massaging technique on the face. So the stem cell will be absorbed, and this will help in the easy healing and quicker recovery of the skin. Plus, the stem cell will further help in the lifting and in the rejuvenation benefit. negative 15. What is Ultra VLIFT? Ano nga po ba ang Ultra VLIFT? Ang Ultra VLIFT is a non-surgical facelifting procedure that makes use of fine threads. These fine threads are protein-like fibers inserted beneath the skin. Once they are in the skin, they will stimulate our skin to produce its natural protein fiber. So the skin will be able to make collagen. So isang advantage po ng Ultra VLIFTing is collagen production. Ang collagen po kasi, ito yung responsible for the tightness and firmness ng ating skin. Kasi as time passes by, nagsasag ang skin natin because of the loss of the collagen formation. So with the help of the Ultra VLIFT, we are restoring collagen formation. Another advantage of Ultra VLIFT is the promotion of microcirculation. Nag-i-improve po ang delivery ng mga micronutrients into our skin cells. Plus, it promotes tissue repair. So our skin can easily regenerate, it can repair, it can restore. So ang dami po palang advantages ng Ultra VLIFT. And ang question also, why choose Ultra VLIFT? Well, this is a safe, a natural, effective treatment. It is FDA approved, it has minimal downtime, it is minimally invasive. You see immediate noticeable or the effects are easily seen after the treatment. Plus, as time passes by po, nag-i-improve pa ang ating skin. So, over time, there is further improvement. One client asked me, is the procedure painful? Well, we have to apply anesthesia po so that the patient will not feel anything. How long does the procedure last? It may vary depending on the area of the treatment, because some treatment areas may be the full face, or it's just the upper half or the lower half. We also use the Ultra VLIFT threads for nose lifting. Actually, I have here a presentation of the different areas of treatment for Ultra VLIFT. Pwede na rin pong ma-address ang forehead lines or fine lines. It can also do lifting in that area, or the brow lifting if we want to have that arch brow, or for glabellar lines, for the crow's feet here, it can be treated. We also use it, as I've mentioned, for nose lifting. We inject these fine threads into the inner area of the nasal skin. Another din po is mid-face lifting, or also for the prevention of the jaws, the marionette lines. A while ago, our client, we improved the nasolabial folds. Also for jawline definition, lower face lifting, plus the neck rejuvenation. For some clients of mine with a problem on this part, nagsasag ang skin dito, or parang turtleneck, we also make use of the Ultra VLIFTing threading. Now, there's a question also, how long will it last? It may actually last for about a year or two. The patient or client may opt to do another Ultra VLIFTing in a year or two. And will I see an immediate effect? Of course, you can see it after the treatment. Now, are there any side effects to it? There are no serious side effects. You may just experience some bruising. For some of my clients, there's no bruising. For others, they may have it. Just do ice compress, or you may take some anti-inflammatory medicines also. Okay, folks, that is Ultra VLIFTing. Okay, if you have any further questions or inquiries, please call us at 0917-504-4268, or you may email me at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com. Our clinic is found here at the second floor of Pure Gold Dau Building. It's located here in Dau MacArthur Highway, Mabalacat, Pampanga. So I am your host, Doc Tessa. So regarding Ultra V lifting, please try it. It is very beneficial. It's clinically safe and effective. So mga kapitbahay, thank you very much for watching this episode on facelifting.